Audio Pro has dropped a new stereo speaker. Now this is the A48. Look, it's good. They made this speaker to replace any soundbar that you intend buying or currently own. It is going to be a powerful stereo speaker. You know, this brand Audio Pro, they're a Swedish audio specialist. They've been in business for many years. The A48 wireless powered floor standing speakers that I've designed to flank your TV basically, and just enhance your movie watching as much as your music listening as well. The A48 will have HDMI ARC connectivity, as well as substantial streaming functionality, like the fact that it has support for Apple Airplay too. There is also Google Cast. There is Audio Pro app. That basically, and there is also the fact that it works very well with a kind of companion app you can have on your smartphone. There is also multi-room pairing with other compatible speakers in the Audio Pro family. Look, if you're looking for one that does it all, for your setup, both for your music and movies, that aren't fused, and you are basically not somebody that is so focused on having Dolby Atmos sound, this is gonna be for you basically. So there is a lot to like. The specs kind of like shows that it is a top rated speaker in general, and that should be impressive for a lot of people that theoretically want really good sound. Audio Pro, they've had a very good track record over the years. They are very good in their design philosophy. They bring beautiful designs to people to fall in love with them. The A48 will pretty much be coming with a fabric grill for the front of the speakers. It doesn't cost so much. It is going to be priced at £1,200, around $1,200. That's the price tag, official price tag, and it should be impressive for a lot of users and a lot of people that are getting into the audio business for the very first time. So look, the details for the product will be down in the description if you want to have a look at it. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you everybody very much next time.